for your mama, mama, qua by Brassos or Mamunia Maudo Bison, somewhere Yakesi and Yabani, the Baba Somo, and a Fiada Bujaye, and some Kuchiko Bramanco, Batani, Chakrinki, or Mamunia Manfun Cruz and Yakesi and a sum of 4 pennies or Swanya da Jatrasia, the Bamamo de Ma Afrosroina, where ye a day from the Dicadity and a year day Ebremuya Dawson, Naposo, and ye Mampenida John Dramani Mama, the Atuja said, Dom Cassia, Ababe Dinafa, and the NDC. You could number say so a bumper so the moment muno egina.
Ora Lazanda for your mark and so dear. I told this man you couldn't one name much rest a one more shot send about me. I know now one mun chitian and a much. Na
nipa binuma shasi basabasa ye or Ghana mema say name yam yahudo pia yetoto about honomo yentiti and sa pussy for chichiro mochichiri wuno or more edited no aqua kujina kotwa shasi di wonumasemo.
Bano one person what one swan no. And this Yamanyokona shall see a court, send your baron near the tabo, ebetus.
Na yura Frank Esie do be queen, do dona salamanese protozua, o call a yes, Uma baton persuasua, and Raspe Jamudiano, Manson Ebaho, and Nana Judesium, Yatis Electoral Commission in Penny Fast as Wakaya, Bani Biwa, or Penny a year protozua, Nedin Kunim, Edema, and Pipi Amanyukuno, or Suma baton persuaso. Yabakwa
Guna West, Coponimo, 50 Mantamu. I was somewhere in Saka, Tressa, be a 1 year and a matia. Wobinim diabo papa dwene watch second twitwa yere ne mano amene wonum kantia
observe for any afofro pinua ne yakekese ene ne sekasia ba bia wo bia na wieye ba na yede ababesom asra piesie yemfa emanyumeku akese
through herbal center da moase ensada express group on Soma kan ho abepem sese 21st clinic was sciatica expert cloud internet the fastest internet in the world na ya kan for dia masa Sompa cha dia nyame ya 19 ana ya chente unya Odia Maya, now what dear banter mizo, and a 5G Yadamoase. You may call running Kayabi Nebrepam, Yabaka 1 some of the actual now son for Benu. And if you are quite Kofinia Fiata, Akosia Ejewa dear Boatin. Anamidi, Anaremene.
Nana Yaboa Malibia Boga. Observe for Yen Shaka Senasem Freeman Penny that John Dramani Mahama Yasaswa to Abamani Busem and Penny were Mayimunatana ye. Na Enra, National Chief Imam Alaji Sheikh no Serebutu and any Doma Eco Costrano, Elwon if you want Crapumpementemum, Nigina, Nano Memenda Batu Agana Madeshi to Santene, one Dugudugula, German Pranco Miguel Cocoto ya. If you are see, Naman Penny that John Dramani Mame Dinkunim, Ama NDC. Amanyuko so mano ni nyado do no a wobran speje fie mo matabiri do no a ya enedie ebetime die ensedu asi ekokoso akasa ndisi amanyuko no ekuta dom kese pa wobran speje fie mu a sempopo MPP mran speje afo ye o madwene so mo nko adwuma kra no a omo edom kese ekuta wo no omo ebetime die ya niema bia esefata ede ama omaye na eno na national chief imam sra okosra mampani da John Dramani mama ya saso ato abayi ne bio se Ghana mampani a eja demo a watching so don't for ya doma January boso me de toso so ebeto ya somdwemu na waba besoye eyi yade na kese wadi o man nanim ede ye akọ eye yanimu no wode atuga se dom kese no a ababe de NDC fo nsam no nipa pinua na kese ekeka nsam bi kese wode baba sesa constitution no ebi kese wode be ye bia enima bia ensam fata wa hye Ghana for bo ene obi bia owo eye twaka wo memo ebose de wo se wode edom kese ne eye emeso ebamfa so mo man no obedodo wonfa nkoya niema bia ensem fata ebe wiase no na ekwakodi wo man no enyama mpani da John Dramani Mahama
of railroading everybody knows that I'm a typical diplomat and a Democrat, and so I believe in Georgia, I believe in consensus building, and I believe in democracy. I've heard some people call me supreme leader. I'm not supreme leader. I'm going to continue to work the way I've always been as a Democrat, and we'll continue to consult with our colleagues who are in the NPP. We can only move this country together if all of us work to move it together. No one single political party can turn the fortunes of Ghana without the cooperation of everybody else. So I can assure you that we'll work together. We'll continue to consult you. I'm your son, and you all have been very gracious with advice and good counsel. I've enjoyed working with all of you over the years, and nothing is going to change. My doors will be open at any time that any of our leaders, my father.
Observant we a man penina da John Dramani Mahama ni yetene nkanene no echiri so national chief mama ne dom sra wo mo ekoko sra no no ode nsem sei ene tu dwade fa ho.
And indeed on election day when I was asked what my projection was, I said we're going to get about 150 seats. When I said about 150 seats, I thought maybe 152, 155, 156. But currently the margin seems to about the 184, which is the threshold for 2/3 of parliament. And that's the people of Ghana for the overwhelming endorsement they're giving us. I think that the people of Ghana realize the enormity of challenge the next government is going to face. And I think that that's why they're giving us this type of authority to be able to take the bold decisions that will turn our economy around and put our country back on its feet. And so I want through you to express my appreciation to all Ghanaians for what they've done. But it also puts a responsibility on our shoulders to work as seriously for the people. It shows us that Ghanaians are slow to react, but when they have had enough, they will punish you if you don't work in their interest. And so I make it a reminder to all those who are aspiring to work in the new government that it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be business as usual. It's going to be hard work. And so if people are not prepared to work hard and to sacrifice for Ghana, then they better stay.
Observant we a man penina da John Dramani Mahama ena yete no enke we yamra national chief imam ene ne dom kokosra no e woni fie won krapompono mantemo ena na oso mo bosse de oso ye bia e ma edom ne gidia Ghana fo anya woni mu no eso bamfa so ma mo no nyina no obeye dodo.
Ora Lazanda fanya market ya dom kase ya mpempe ya wo momra soje fie ne ba no dani na wono na etu ndisi amanyoko ne fo achiremo se anamoto sonko ni dia Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de ma Ghana fo nam so menei ewiase mansa nyina bo ma Ghana din sa bana sumdua wo man ne damufu ano andi si amanyoko no wasa sa na mo no wo so befa so na wo modi di akire bia na atumi aboa ye na wo no nkan wo se wiase mframade hu pade a wonya kora nam so nti no sane Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ye no sanka andi si amanyoko no so ye na sa anka babo ampeso awodo no ne electoral commission wo mutumi mo ba ba nyina nam ho bua bia NDC apasa wo mde to so ne nyina no sade no atumi afiri honom we ye ebra yera Frank bakwe ya wono wode nkonim awoso huma bato ampeso so ye bo ne din se wono ananyame ya domu a wo wabatena konya so se mra shef dwane wo honom no ero na ka bi mayera Alexander afanyo marking akoto na ne wutu kire mu se we ne nyina akire se NPP amanyoko no wo mu gina hode makema menkabi ane asomdwe
law abiding. There are further collations to be done tomorrow. Let us all demonstrate to the world that we are Ghanaians who believe in the rule of law. I shall continue to encourage my friends in the NDC to follow the good example of Dr. Bawumia. He is a statesman. He conceded where he realized that he had lost, and they should follow in that spirit. They know. The NDC is aware that most of these seats that they are trying to fight, they've lost. In fact, a moment ago, before the declaration, they were telling us that their foot soldiers are amassing out there, ready to attack their leadership. Should we win all the seats? I told them that, so, what are you trying to tell us? Because your foot soldiers are not happy with you, does that mean that we should stop the process? And that they don't want honorable and not unpressed coalition to proceed because they think that there's tension out there. With tension, we are done with 3. We have to proceed with honorable and not unpressed coalition, which is the 4th for the day. It is almost done, and Anodon Prayer has won. We have all our coalition. We have done it. We have the figures. The NDC is aware they have lost.
Ora Alexander Afenyo Markendom Cassia Womra Shabja Fiesiano, one on your own banner denny.
Absent for Gusua de Mosuma Baton Pesuasia, Nansan Ura Alexander Afenyo Markens and nay, and some cheerful bidding Komui, Ama or this answer we are to some cheerful anymore. Now about to come and penning for as I saw a kind money bill, El Suma Baton Pesuaso, Emma Ura Frank, a sea do bequina, Rodona Sarman is a protozua, or no and a natchez wedding kunim, a de Ama MPP Amanukuno Suma Baton Pesuaso. And your Mokeka near Messi and Nino na wenya a manimu be 16,855 and na openio jina ye edema NDC amanyukuno so enya 15,259 vote wa na kesura Frank Esiedu Bekwen na edin kunim ede ama MPP amanyukuna woko wako akojina deshia e osuhuma nem ewo eyemra sibigefiem na yanko tesa na obonten so enra ana jude siom be donko edeba eye no bienu mu hono mu a no makai mane nyina awie na omo eba bebobo no se na electoral commission mpenimfo esi ebobo ma no ani
correction from Surum constituency 6 polling stations were annulled by all the candidates agents. Therefore, results from 160 polling stations. Total vote cast. The results from 160 polling stations. I mentioned the name according to the candidates as they appear. Frank Esiedu Bekwe, 16,855 votes. Prince Adolf, 15,259. Emmanuel Dede Yafi, 159. Kojo Asante, 14,860. Total valid votes 47,133. Total rejected ballots 671. Total vote cast 47,804. Therefore, by the power invested in me as the returning officer for Surum constituency, I hereby declare Frank Esiedu Bekwe as MP elect for Surum constituency.
Amzanfo nti wey aye tesa no abonte so wankra pompone mantam nti manso ba ye no ba bia manso wo bia no electoral commission mpanimfo ahye se omo tabiri mane nyina emfa emrankran no mo nkan bibia foforo nti omo hyase enra anadwede suum a ekowiase suhum omo akan ne foforo a ora Frank Esiedu Bekwen protozoa ene de nkunim dia MPP amanyoko no
na wokọ bom domi abraba to ampeso so wankra mantam ayera awoku ibo wono na di nkunim ewo honom na wono so adiato NDC amanyoko achitafo nyina nim so wobasra pa ena yi ayera John Dramani Mohammed nkunim na birim de mrasha wonmo nsama abaja pade no ka wobasra pa senna ne kire yada womrosa sanyo no ekwaso no mbejai na nka ne mpa bo nyina na se woman nyina benya abotoye mu ni otwen akoma na won matwen general bosunda toso enso eda atwedi ampon obato yewra John Dramani Mahama ne pono awo na tamfo nyina anim no obi ahunu bie no sada no mom na nka omde omanigie ane ade akwakota akiri na mum na yia no won mahyase adi ahuruka semse wakina bi ba akokopira na se ofiri mu a ebeyore ho sempa ade ama NDC amanyoko no
Modiana ya secondary school a ye ninu bo Modiana na yaye Metunya secure as 30 acres of land. My bay, I shall say, a basic secondary school. And so some say problem my pa, Oko Biwa, and Nipani one and no Monsieur Baco. My bay, Modia, Doc Apostle James, Ebomodia, Etuboho, across the world, my Bobomodin, Bomodin said, Baby, I saw Nino, and I will be a pressure was no, Ebomodina, mechanized it. I will be a being Hoka Cranson, in Abomodia, aye. Afenso ye ni hospital kese bia ho the only one e wo e bom die no na obom dia nso John Dramani Mahama ye president say obebie mu amaye nti me hwe kwan say saa boshe no bebe mu afenso unemployment am say ade e wo menso ni no ebiri ho ba say na yes kan say eba eno yo entire Ghana no country no say mesre o ma obia ento ne bo ase yetumi atwen for 8 years say aba say ade obia anya butre na bibia John Dramani Mahama oye oji emradi nti mesre mo say ma obia anya basabasa omi abro abo youth ma ka chem say
Bom domia braba tompa so somra shaba jani ya won kramantemu yira awuku yigo
abzanfo yeguso ade mo gina eye enema esisi wo mayi mo ne ekire nsunsanso ne na muntu a empedimfo etutu ewo ho na posi adwuma no soso de aba betudwa se nipa bia wo mo edemra hye wo mo nsam wo mo mokɔwi anema wo mo mokɔhye electoral commission japade kɔhye abaja pade sesa anema na ensem fata se wo mo fa no wo mo akyekyere nipa ne mo be wo ha ene aduonu miensa 123 na se ne mo kasei emu aduanan nkono 49 de wo mo akeka nkrata asiani a wo mo adu wo akogina kotomra ahyase ene wo mo edie ma me Grace Ansa Krofia ohwani amansa di nkomo ma posi adwuma no ena ogina eye Ghana Police Service mpanimfo na mo ebu sankonta wi ede ekire nsentwefo
don hwi aduonu nan ya etremu Niema SCC ye bambo fa bambo hu abatu ye chi ena ye pese ye train mu adwin siso enwumre eye posi ye ne bambo nyumeku a aka no ye kosoa ede nhihye ahodro a emu ye dempa egu akwan mu ehwese oman ne bambo ebedimu yes, I'm mu a ye 24 hours twemu bibi titiri bia e fa bambo ho NC basabasa bi NC bebia ne sensi esega na fo nyina mo kosoa nkomunwuma so sani amoye ne da no bia embo hu efise bambo nyumako no ye wo ho na ya tutu ye ho agukrom ehwe se nhyehyɛ ya ye de egu akwan mo bambo nti no ni nyina ebe koso pepepe Ebiom ye pese ye ma amanfo aso te se nipa oha aduonu miensa eye 123 a ya chichi omu efa ne tutu asem ne niema ahodo omu ye na watwi yi mu no safo ni nyina ye de omu efa emra kwanso na emu nchichemu na me pese me de etwa sui eye sa nipa emu aduanan emkron sabri ye de omu apa kujina port na sa aduanan kun emudu nsia ye kase court ama omubel na emu aduasa miensa nso a aka no posi enso ya ma omubel enna emu aduasa miensa biom court ahye omo so omo nkoda police akache enna prison enso na 70 eye ediosun a akade police yama omubel sani ebeya sani amra hyehyɛ sɛ yentimi people obi beyond 48 hours no yedimi edisa amra ne so epepepe nti eye 24 hours yetwa mu so yachi nipa ennan bi aka ho na saa nipa nan yi nyamepa ochina ye de omo ebekwa akogina court Ebiom ye pese Ghana fo nyina so te se
Zafonti weye ACP Grace Ansa Akrofi wonehwe ene amansa di nkomama my Ghana posi adwuma no anana ocheche nsemu kakra de akire ye no
bese na ye won person awo drop inu a hon mo electoral commission entumi mu bo aba no namchi wahye hodo a ababada NPP ni andisi amanyoko no ntam afa ne wodi nkan no de wodi ncho no ahu na akan wo bi amena ekrampo no wokɔ NDC won matena kase ye won kramantam a won mahyase a wo ye nsamchofo enhyiamudie a honom eno na deputy director of elections adama NDC amanyoko no Dr. Rashid Tanko computer wodi atudwa ultrasa we no krampo no NDC amanyoko no wo mo na sikwa so a wo mo kokɔ to akɔgye injunction na miaya wodo no a and the electoral commission entumi mbo abano wo mo de abato so sane yebeye na ne bobo ni nyina no betwenchen na se akakra na ene no kra mpo no nyame ya dom a wo mo nim se anche electoral commission aba fransam twofo ene amanyoko awodo nyina de ato won manim se de ndc amanyoko no ye ne na motu a electoral commission enso ebetunie abro yi Rashid Tanko wana Sompa ka se di nkomo na wo kyerehye mu na motu asonko kra ya ndc amanyoko no aka no wane ensantwafo ekasai na ansana no ora Justin Frimpong kodua ya wono edi NPP amanyoko no anim se kyerehwefo panyin no won so beyi saseni ano.
Yeah, this morning, if you recall,
junction, we serve Jin Mesa. They have received it at their headquarters. They should communicate to them. I've shown it to them. And this police officer here, who has interest in the matter, is trying to prevent us. And what should she see her? Can't you see what she's doing? Can't you see what she's doing? Security for MPP. She's deployed here to protect MPP. It has arrested everything. No, nothing is going to continue here. The injunction is here. They should stop it. They can't continue. The head of it is safe. The measure has been safe, and they are aware. Who can we receive? They should come to their bodies. The one who asked them to come and collect is the one who has been injuncted. So, if it is fake, tell me it's fake. Not injunction.
I was your Deputy Director of Elections, the NDC, Dr. Rashid Tanko. Nenon Yakwati and watching no moment lawyer Justin Frimpong kodua ya wono ya kyerehwefo panyin edema NPP amanyoko nimu aya wono so de baichi.
He came to tell us that we have been called for an IPAC meeting. Yeah. That's what he said, if you recall. And I threw a challenge to him that there is a process by which IPAC are called. One, they will send you a text message and follow up with an official letter. Okay. I asked him to show evidence that indeed IPAC has been called. He was unable to prove any evidence. Then, just after 30 minutes, he came back to tell us that an injunction has been placed on the process. So someone who came to earlier light that there is an IPAC meeting when there was no IPAC meeting comes back to tell you that there is an injunction. How will you take it? How will you take him serious? How will you believe that what he's saying is the truth? If there is an injunction, as a lawyer, I know the processes. Where is the bailiff? Why is the bill? Is he an officer of the court, or have the court asked him that he should go around dispatching rate to people? So if there's indeed an injunction, the officers here, they work under the Electoral Commission. Certainly they will be called that there is an injunction on the so hold. But we can't be taking a concocted injunction from NDC director officer. We must speak the truth. What happened was that, according to the NDC, they said the EC had made changes with respect to the number of ballot papers that were issued. So we asked them, does it affect the votes that the political parties had? They said no. By the end of the day, we are doing collation. So in the collation, there is a certain time that EC don't even have their PC, but rely on political parties. So our argument was very simple. Let's compare the PC of NDC and NPP. If they correspond, what's the issue? Then why do EC give political parties copies of their PC? That's the issue. No. The NDC is frustrated. And we understand them. Because their supporters are on them, threatening them that why are they sitting down for recollations to be done? And MPP has taken to MPP has taken Fantiakwa, and MPP has taken Akwetia. It's the pressure that they are giving to them. That's why they are misbehaving. Either than that would have been done with this exercise a long time ago. So this is needless. No matter how long it takes, whether today, tomorrow, next week, we'll all be here. But the right thing has to be done. As a political party, when we lost the elections, in less than 16 hours, our flag bearer came out to concede defeat. We've won majority in parliament. No one is complaining. But at least the right thing has to be done. They know they've lost those constituencies. That's why they are misbehaving.
Baby, I don't know what fun to a free to away. I lawyer Justin Frimpong Kodiano no. One no church for Panyetema NPP Amanyuku.
Na ebusian for the NPP Amanyuku ewe chesefum from we ya radio ni wono modie e onanu abato no a yekokoto no memendam no chese ni papi no a ahyase e kasa ebinom soso ahyase e tenetene wonum nsa e de se dum ni adainom ni ade a na NPP mraswe gani owo mraswe gefiem ma de se wo asante achem no North Abaton Pesuaso, Asante Achima Google, lawyer and the Apia Kubi, and on the watch say, hey, the man Pipi Amanyu Kuri, ya, Abai Chesako, Guasia, Diamauno, on Fasubomo Bia, Saman Penin and Adu Danko Kufa, Watchman Peace, Bema Boda, one in a bushia for noa, no Musum Honua, now can be Bia or Muntieno, or more an account will be, and Ama and Pipi Amanyu Kuenima Guasesa, or Nanwa Batua, or May Yako, Ekokotu Yenimo, was a war her and Pipi Rasraja for bed your clone 90 above Ababesiao. Ababe kachira se sika samsen yesi krono omufi se enye wo fase kanofura tanko na sebesebe mpreduasa adwene dani tirim anase bias inyansa dani tirim tiempe ni paafro no mra na se di paafro ba omogide wa rehemu se bebo ma sika sam atoto ya ma party no kura no enema banyama ebi abato no etima koye dia ma party no mo kan de akufo do tintintirin to wose yiram ene wo mo na Ghana for de abufu ato aba de eti o ma akwakoye nimguase sa no lawyer and Pierre Kubi in Semni.
The blame will go by extension because he refused to listen to us even when we saw reality and we tried to communicate to him. He wouldn't take anything of that sort. He was too recalcitrant. That is how come we were blaming him. He didn't do enough to help Dr. Bawumia because if you listen to your own MPs, come on. So it is not one person who was speaking. We are doing the advocacy for more than 96 members of parliament then. So are you saying that all of us putting reason right? It is not a case that one person was saying something which was uncalled for. We had met, we had written our resolution, and because we didn't have opportunity, we wanted to air it for him to hear. And you will not listen to any one of us, all of us put together? So that's how far we can blame him for that. You see, the deterioration started from there.
Okay.
Because we had seen the rot going on, and we wanted to let you know so that we can take remedial action. Don't listen to us. One person will bring all of us to this situation.
Observe way a lawyer and the Apia Kubi were NPP Mrasvigani or Womrasvig Fima this year was Santia Chim North Abaton Pesia as Santia Chimago Guasem and a ye Nanwa Batuono, one also echo away from and a watches a Mampedia Kufuadwa and a menim Guasia to say at NPP Amanyukuno.
Abaka krami ababachana fidie so aka sai na andis ya manyoko no wan kraman tamo wan mun nsem for edin kombo na titine ne de manyoko no Yora Johnson na esiedun ketia ana na wakasa wo kirem say electoral commission de nyame anim ni wanam wanhia bi da say electoral commission nsem eye twintwan enfanto ha wase hokram de beto enko ha wase ho na mfiri ba de obeka bia da obenya ho anu yie na wode ama ho enye ne senkenne abato awodo a ane mpeso awodo a wo mo de akai electoral commission antimi muboe sanse ndc ade nkunim na so obo abapeso odane tumi ndema NPP nti ena ne eda so twetwere ba ho.
And so we past monitoring. We heard yesterday that Fantiakwa North constituency, whose results had been collated and declared at Begro, had now been recollated at police training depot and declared by somebody who is other than the returning officer. Yeah, in fact, it doesn't amount to redeclaration because the person who was forced to declare artisanal is not a designated person who has power or authority to declare any results of Fantiakwa at all.
In fact, he was standing by when the returning officer declared.
So, and that person was standing by the returning officer in Begro when the returning officer was declaring the results. And then he is now invited to come and redeclare. And I'm not surprised. You know, it reminds me about your drama in Parliament where Mr. Speaker presides and takes a decision, and then the following day MPP forces a deputy speaker to go and reverse the decision of the speaker. So this is the hallmarks of MPP's impunity. So we don't want to, engage in anything that will escalate tensions. So we have proceeded to court and have applied to injunct the process that is going on there. And we hope we are putting the Electoral Commission and all other people involved in that illegality on notice.
I was aware National Chairman Dema IDC Amanyokonora Johnson Asedun Ketiamizo and 5G and I account for the Amobibian Sonia Bintoya. Kwadama so baby and a copeveto sansa hodin wumpa a one penny for 0246270221 0246270221. I was only a cost of Mankaye. Some pacha de na actually be a wencha na ya cha microphone wisia unya fa wode amaya na wode abantam say yesika anase anode awodo enta dem paboa hebeje say won kwanza Ghana Commercial Bank dan ni modo kwa Sompa wo ho so nya nso your night market Kumasi Benrom Hotel afa mobile money nso a ya wo mane 0598 559 802 0598 559802. Do you know Electoral Media Nasa Blizzard Foster 21st clinic and now was the theatrical aspect or to us in actual what about Namro Moon a much show much of Chawajo by Bia and Ye. I was your quite not doctor for and showing them machine treatment be Bia be on more whatever do nipper Dianamuju Makumase what was show of Assis Junction what by Alpha Radio or was say council quarters Accra or Domimakatu. Our first Sunyan Crans at a Chiman. If you was 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Cloud Internet in Sunye. Open Internet Papa and want you on a Hunia Samba Wawa. Aya Cloudu. Top High 111 FMD Shanimu 0202 699 110 0202 699 110. Express Group of the Wutu Kwai Canada. US, UK, Holland, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Babia. Yadube Rama want to okosua de. Wokwa ya juma scholarship bin wanya. Visa na wo pa yamwa onenya HR take it ana bibi atesa. Ninyina no express one matter romanti. Wase kumanso wasa flavor run about Accra. Kaneshi first light 0249 00 0448 0249 00 0448 and a 3 herbal sentence so one the 3 core capsules ba ayeko komasete dro sisi ade dro no kokwa dro na afa yam tim adro ba kopa enso eno no kokwale na heba dani heba misty epidank wokwa wo so peko komasete dro a 3 herbal center akwakofa de aba no obenya biato 0546 107107 0546 107107. Ye general Sonia ya dan hotel ya ba ko finfi mantamu owura wono de wobinim de ba no so na yire ne ma ono anka sa timi age wono makra fu mu nsam wono ye bekom na emu kyiremu ye de abesomo pa wo mu yenti abaso bo magye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua Wamuji international awards ahodo wamuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wamu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hanu ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa wamuji bibidro ene besa yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 next 21st clinic wo mu sciatica expert.
Introduce Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hianye pa enye brakasa nko nuaban ne haban bi ti se ko unsuso a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na ba akwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma ba akọ freduane anopa ne enwumre anafa enkodate de ma ba akọ woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okechi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 prekese powder aduane san yedru FD ahwehwe sankra to emu agiatum
sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku afina mebeko menkata krani
eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otu adidi musa no
oh Express Group adornment account wire for opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and as a visit in Soa. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am person mo tu kwan ko ye jumanso obet me do wako Dubai, Qatar, and as South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light Tama Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more mature for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Na ya obaya oda formason ya funu emunumuni
oh Mr. Entry also ya reya titi be benfie pi na so ne yemu nyono da se me chew no ahodo amato a me hunu hwea ebe ya nwanwa
ninyi ni se what also tamfo haxa capsules any haxa mixture ya no mbom kutia also no bia ma no anom anka ne ho to no dadaada also dro de eno any haxa capsules any haxa mixture
akom ni nchiremu
also ye kura eto ye funu ene ensunumu etuma wo ye funu ekekawa wo de ho a enyi also etumi ema wo ye cheko ebra wadidi awie somehow eye also there compare haxa capsules any haxa mixture manum bom na ho ebeto
pedro to a ko okanshi drug lane Kumasi Dani Herbal Takradi AA Mensa Anafre 02038228855 Approve about tanya wama won mo friend for any mo fra woni mfie bi mienu enka ho Haxa capsules any ne mixture
all satan for FDA age adwadie nkrato yi atom
Afinsiapa Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center say wama nyina afinsiapa Dr. Obo say obronya achede de mo bia achede no ni ompeso obia de yare besa fefoforo na say ne santi every 16 December the 25 December obetimi akọ Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center tena ya ewo Ghana ha ba bia akohwehwe woni padwam a onye wo kapre me kire say free pii enti wasebra no ncheke wakoma o kidney wo liver ne woni padua kwa aka ne mount so wohwe na yade omu a obesa ma wo bra wanyu sika kese bia na wase achew 30% kyerese untue sika twitwiridie se wo yade bi wo so na wakoa na nkwa for bronya achedi so na ko Dr. Bonchen na wansa yade eka obebo bia nso obeche omu 30% sene nso ma me biemo se promotion na bronya achedi e sha se 16 December yakozi 21st December na ebeko so e wo bo heba branches edidi so Kaswa official town Obenjedi restaurant Enkransa award seman eduakwan so Kumase obehunu wo adoato adumanu Sunyane owo Zinko on immigration center ne de enumhwe Techiman Obenkente Royal House open chemu abro mi de nso a obetimi afọ wo heba ro number si so 0549161508 ni 0550191514 afi 0549385619 Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center Bibidro Kasa.
December to remember. Masidani Rade Masidani. We annual Thanksgiving Liberty Conference. Omani ya wedu watch. Every onyame namne so eye anwode ni bebre. Otun start the food for thought this year nyina. Any wumpa onyame namne nkyerɛkyerɛ so. Aye bibiama was say. We eye yasida etwatso. Liberty Conference December day. Ebeye Fanta Bruta. Yasemu ayekasa ho. Ye free David enyom. Oha enenson. Ejichemu ba. Ye nyina ye kruchire yasida. Nye dia koma ochiredi ampom. Kwamba se yadom. Ewo Jubilee Park. December bosomen. Neda etoswe dionu ba. Eye memene da. Anopa no sia pepepepepe. Ya jonto ye. Ya maame Esther Nyameche. Moses Oke. Minister Kwaku Jesse. Mama Esther. Minister Kwame Jedu. The resident worshipper. Na sadan. Ye beyi wanyame ya. Mosresa ni abefia sasia. Medrofo. Uti fie ye de. Liberty Conference. When the chatwo. Ewo afie imu. Na she. Onyame nam na ye yeso. Wabechi wabronsa. Wabebrono. Amani dini kukuni nenkaka. Akotena da braka. Wabetena wantu mintu ya neka. Edna ni achiremu otutuka. Na onyame wa hiye kechi ya fono. Wanam saa kwenye iso. Betu ya ye huwa kenyina. Na shani so say. Weye communion wine. Any breaking of bread. Direction. Liberty Conference. December edition. Oh glory. Hallelujah.
Sompa TV, Emma Akitiapa.
I was here to us so now. I was somewhere in Saka Free Mantamukra friend, sir. Aya Agona Bobikuma, I know Agona West Group Ponimu. Already a friend says Stephen, Alote, one a creation or tear, Yawan, a year in the bar, Yawan Finchana Dumi and son. And none will be a wood yakoba, right to move a Timiatra kind. Got you chara, yet another chara banaka, who I will more. Asam na kwa ya umeche sempa. Ya kwa na eno kwa jo asari. Akwa kwa di huo enkomo. Kwa jo mahe.
Mwenye
Awa sami si sayi.
Emeda se, enwada ene nyani nchiye se, sa arehu sami ya ye kanyi, esi ewo aguna bubikuma ewo aguna west, ewo mkini mantemu. Eno nchiye banai kudu ho, ya kwa ene se, diya ye kanyi nukre. Ade abemua ye friend Steven Alote wetimi atwese kan brantan bi atwa na yere ene ne ba wanya mfino edumiansa awo agona bobi kuma ye kan na beside say die na obi asebe bibia ha no na na dwene oni adwene ka bia no obetimi ayesa de wi ebisa na dia abemua ne papa eche ne se ewum se eda no ya no ne yere no enya mentin ho ase kasakasa bi ewo montem many tembia no esipe na maba ono papa ne fi na papa na hwe siesi na wi kasa ne pi no papa ne se waka akon masem abre inside omo anko no monko siesi o masem no 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 monko siesi o masem a abanu yi ede ne yiri ene ne nam ne nsan ekoda enwuram eyekoku bi ase a ade e bechi a eye nura ya wafa sekan yetini atwitwa ne yire ene ne ba ewo agona bobukuma
Kiba sa ohano
yebisa na yeso wo ne 40s
na asam ne ba no posifo abam na wo matumi ache no ana wodwane
a posifo abam omo ne kofa mu ewo wuram ho ede ba agona sodo matre na se papa ne de sabra me no kasanya de a omanya no ode me ho akawura
Anti akwaba ne sey no abusua no mienu no anyambia no won mo hia sanse asam wadi nka ba abusua ni mama won matena so na so still dia tia na tia no me hu ne se akwaba ne sey no ba ha adwene kakra na what bibia afra abusua no nkyɛn
sisi amunu ka sɛ deɛ asɛ sɛne chimwahye no baɛ na akɔ sɛ abusua no ɛnsɛ dɛ nya akomanto ɔmo yam so ɔmo bɛtena se asiesie ne mo mo twɛn sɛ nka abamua no di saa nyamena nsɛm no apolisi fo bɔbɔ mmɔden sɛ ɔmo sa bɛka no na afei ɔmo ato ahwehwɛmu no sa na so ɔmo atena se aka asɛm sɛne ɛteɛ
na ne ba ne akoda no a wɔnya mfiri do miɛnsa no ana ebi di akyire biem
ebunu wɔ akyire ɔmo so ka ho ɔmo kɔ wura nim nanso okun ba ko bi ya o de bo mo so meja o mo do nduane ba fi ntu o mo no mti ba fi bo ba amane se de asini
akojo me no wase why ne ko so afo ne de akire me wada ma ya che no a na wa ma ya so ate why abusia why aye nana kojo asare ana ya te ne nka no arewo samu a asie e wa agona bobi kuma ye no e wa agona west kopo ne bo mfimfi mantamu owura won ne yere ne ma atie na kasa si e wa wade ne mu watimi akye nkoda ne nyina no oyere no ene won ma konwura mu a nei wakum baako ama ne yere no so wakum no
obzanfa semi ye shemo bosi eni de chiri refer to be ye mfa nka memo ye nto aso ne mfa mon konsam fufrom ye tetire wiei se ye se eye sofulai bus eye lorry station no a ewo honom no ye se emrantie bi a wo mo ennim ba bi a wo mo efri akwa akototo sofulai lorry station ngina mo de ensafo akwa bisine wo mo ehu ba bi a wo mo fri ene botaye nti a wo mo edibetu sa anamo no okọ eye adrawafo a wo mo eye adwuma o sofulai lorry station wono mo a wo mo enkabo muku ora Albert Kwasi Buama ena eye titire ni eda no wo cheche asem no mu sei ede ekire ye
adwuma no ma eye aye sora ye ba pa ni anope obeduru ya ye pa lo kwa ye passenger launcher obi bi kam ye no ma bi ka ba bi ala bi ya besi wa bia na enye ba bi mfantu e ho ne digu ensi oto a e ho na passenger fo ye tena e ho ne entertaining impose e bo ti na mo e ho ne entertaining ye ba ya obi di credit abetu credit abetu mu so ye nim ye kwa na so credit abetu so ye wo dia court order break na court room ya kan na court room mai kan na court room kan kire say na ha no e bia e ye dia ma obi enti mu nko mu sam ma fia ye nti hwe ye yan say di credit abetu say officer wo fra kwa bro sa so ya credit na wa ye enti mu ko so say mba ye enti ra office eni dina
obzanfo nti we ye ayadawafo ne nkabomuku ewo sofula Rory station hodom no ha titire ni a oda wunuma no ura Albert Kwasi Buama ne yete ne nka no na dawafo ne binum soso jawma ne tutu aka omo nsem omo hu de omo ye bia soso no de omo nsem se ye to aso
aye sofula temra ye ye aduma o park so na no ban ye baaye ye hunza temra no da bia passenger from lunch na mutna hano bibi kaka ma han ye dini nyina bebu ana obi ebibi kaka trotro ni mu na se wo niwe fia ya madafo ne dini nyina bebu ya enso to a hana passenger fo ni nyina betna ejo ba twa ha won se nkunya ani TVs ebo ha e ma passenger fo ni nyina so obi twa obi kura ana de no ma bebu ha ana pe ba yo ma tum ntana pe aba station so fly station give station wo be sia se wo be ji ade dia ye be tete so for akyere no e de twen se ka baba but ye ba ye nim enipa kura o de palok ne betum enti ye chama e di kan ne media stations ni na kasa FM station TV stations no mo akasa ama ye ku palok ne ni enti se ye twen se enipa ko a o de palok ne tum no onyini ho adi baby obia onyini ho adi ni ye hunu utayentia o de palok no e betum me damase
ebuzanfo nti we ye eye adabafo a wo mo eye adwuma wo sofulai lorry station hono ena yete wono mo enken ya tete ebuzanfo se putupuru ye se eja atoboase ye se eja ato oboase putupuru ma wie ya yanko ma no so na ye ne enua Emmanuel enkodi nkomo emfri oboase ima ma hai ima good afternoon
good afternoon
na ho ye na oboase fahin oboase fahin oboase fahin ne jato yi
stadium junction baby a udra na wa branch akọ Electoral stadium no hona just sa incident we si menua
na etodie mu a edan mu store mu etohia
emetie for ina kwa ba ba Sompa 93.1 ape Sompa na eni for me 10:30 to 11 and assembly and so it's yes na the church say hono omo etonton car inji honum and afi so omo ye car warding and so honum na entie mentie ne say gas ni bi omo de wodi gas kaka no and mako and so etimi blast ya chese sports mako be say enum eko insian so de na ya bo ma we pay mo hasisi a and also etimi ase na Casa Asino, Kobe Dubako, Casa Asino, Kobe Dubako, Chese, Bayan TSN for 4 Bakwana Miensa, and so etime Primenia, Ababa Bako, Ewa Hasia, Yan Bachichin Como, Minia Bamwaka about some pepper, some party.
Beton ade wa hase timi wa ha no na boy ba pepe na less minini nyina ni free ye ne bae ti e bae no me wa ha me sesa me me we ya no ro this cabre me timi panto ne phone so man timi ti wa na me ti timi duplika me no na me free na less me ba na chese ye mo bie ma ne so nyina fu abuka no ma ono de bae nya me de timi me hu shi bi
na uchrema chese esisia no ni padodo say na etime film no na
isia de ni padodo ankasa be tie hwe bi nso ye hu
o hwe bi aye hu omo eti na na obo ma ubisa ya na say na esitie some the fire service enso time abi people wa say na de tell say obo ase aye fire tender no ase 2 months ni a chese enye adwuma o campaign for emfa na fire tender and omotima abeboa this media jano enso etimi ekofom kakra yehwe se bibia ko na we ya ye ne empedifo police for empedifo ene omo ha se no betwetwe nkomonti de besi bia no enime no si akase bo no yema yetiefo asosie wo homenua
na ima answer na obeko no omo eprepraye no omo de omo ko he omo eprepraye no omo de omo afan
na ya bo ma de tiese omo prepare no omo de omo ko Obuasi government hospital na de nya tiese alert na ma me ne body di ne de wa free alert na ma me ne body di de wa free and de bit ma confirm say abranche no so etime free eti nipa be se mienu miensa and etime epra tiese pra no ano odin papa nya fedago o TV no so a won say the video na to so style na dan no enso etime na tisi baby ejina sisi a mama nchim ho na yase gas baako
ay maudi ay pe baby jina dwania na go fa ko tiazam from abzafo nti we ya rehosem a yate no oboase awie ya yese akoso de gas from a Jawas abo gas bi omode ye adwuma bi na kese gi wo mu a abrante na ode ade na ye adwuma de abusuafo yesi ne mu na bie mienu na kese ono de wokokra bi ayira omo chese omo ahwehwe wo num ye ne di asem ye chi de bi frato bi aye mfa nka memo
ebusuan fancy kokwa vertical janto akosi asomo ya Grace Buzi Reverend Michael